Jared here from Recycle Ride. Today I'm going to show you guys how to repurpose an old t-shirt into a cool tote bag. So today we're at the materials recovery facility, and unfortunately we do see quite a lot of clothing and textile items coming through, which is not what we want to see. So rather than putting your textiles and t-shirts in your curbside bins, we're going to show you how you can actually repurpose a shirt and use it as a bag. Alright, and so what we need today is your old favorite t-shirt that maybe doesn't fit you anymore. It's had its day. We need that. You need a pair of scissors and a ruler. To start out with, we're just going to want to cut off the arm sleeve. So make sure when you're cutting, you cut on the inside of the seam. You can sort of just use the seam as a guide as you're cutting. The next place we want to cut is just around the neck hole. And the deeper that you cut, the bigger your hole space will be for the bag. The next place you want to cut is just along the bottom, because we won't need the bottom part. So again, you're just going to cut on the other side of the seam. This part, we're actually going to cut out some tassels at the bottom of the bag so you can tie them together at the end. We're just going to use a ruler as a guide, so we'll cut up about 12 centimeters and we'll just go along using the ruler for width. To start with though, you're going to want to cut the side of the shirt. And so when you cut down the shirt and you cut out your tassels, you want to cut both sides of the shirt. Try to cut it as straight as you can. Remember to cut along the side of the shirt at the end as well. So by the end of it, your shirt should look like this. Alright, so once you've got it to this point, what you're going to want to do is actually stretch out each individual tassel. Now, what we're going to do is just tie them up. So you make sure you got the matching tassel, you can call it its buddy, and you're just going to tie a simple knot. Just like that. So just be careful you don't mix them up as you're going. Take your time with it. Alright, there we have it folks. Your new groovy looking tote bag using your old favorite t-shirt. So this is perfect to use for groceries. You go into the shops, take home your food with it.